Can a meme token truly become a serious contender in the world of digital finance? It's a question that sparked debate among investors, skeptics, and crypto enthusiasts alike. As of December 12, 2025, Shiba Inu is more than just a joke. It's a global phenomenon, with its influence reaching far beyond internet memes and social media trends. Millions of holders are asking, could Shib ever hit $2? The dream seems distant, but the community's optimism is unwavering. The answer to this ambitious question hinges on a powerful concept called the final burn, a process that could change everything for Shib. The Shib Army, one of crypto's most passionate and dedicated communities, believes that strategic token burns and ongoing innovation can reshape Shib's future and drive real value. To truly understand Shib's potential, we need to look past the memes, the hype, and the price charts, and dig into the mechanics behind the token. The final burn, removing a massive number of tokens from circulation, could create a supply shock, potentially driving up demand and price. But this outcome isn't guaranteed. It requires community agreement, successful projects, and a shared vision for the future. We'll break down what token burns are, how they work, and why they matter so much to the Shiba Inu ecosystem. Plus, we'll explore what these burns could mean for Shibi's future price, adoption, and long-term prospects. We'll also dive into recent developments, major whale activity, and the latest news shaking up the Shiba Inu world. And we'll see how Shibi stacks up against other tokens in the ever-evolving crypto landscape. Of course, we'll discuss the risks, because in the world of crypto, knowledge and caution are your best tools for success. Join us as we unpack Shiba Inu's quest for a new frontier, and discover what the future might hold for this remarkable token. What's a token burn? In the world of cryptocurrency, this term pops up a lot. But what does it really mean, and why does it matter so much to projects like Shiba Inu? Imagine destroying half of a rare comic book collection. Suddenly, the rest become more valuable. The same principle applies to digital tokens. When the total number is reduced, each remaining one can become more precious. A token burn works the same way. Tokens are sent to an inaccessible wallet, often called a burn address, where they're locked away forever, permanently reducing the total supply in circulation. For Shibi, which started with a massive supply, burning tokens is key to increasing value. With so many tokens in existence, reducing the number is essential for scarcity and potential price growth. Each burn makes every remaining token a bit rarer, and over time, this can have a significant impact on the overall ecosystem. The Shiba Inu community has embraced burns, integrating them into everyday ecosystem activities. From special events to regular transactions, burning tokens has become a shared mission. It's like a company buying back its own shares, reducing supply, signaling confidence, and potentially boosting value for everyone involved. The final burn is a hypothetical massive event, but ongoing smaller burns are already happening. These regular burns keep the momentum going and show the project's dedication. Every transaction on Shibarium, Shib's Layer 2 network, burns a portion of tokens. This means that simply using the network helps reduce supply. This steady reduction in supply lays the groundwork for a more valuable future, as fewer tokens can lead to higher demand and price. Token burns show commitment to the project and reward long-term holders who benefit from increased scarcity and potential price appreciation. It's a slow, collective effort, one transaction at a time. Over months and years, these small actions add up, shaping the future of the Shibi ecosystem. Crypto prices move fast, often changing in the blink of an eye, and it can feel overwhelming to keep up with the action. But Shib's recent action has been more about testing boundaries than wild swings, showing a period of relative calm compared to its usual volatility. Shib has been bouncing between a resistance level at 0.055 and a support at $0,040, creating a well-defined channel for traders to watch. Resistance acts as a ceiling. When price nears it, sellers step in, often causing the price to stall or reverse. Support is the floor. Buyers jump in when price drops, providing a cushion that keeps the price from falling further. This creates a trading range, where Shib has spent much of late 2025, moving sideways as buyers and sellers test each other's resolve. Breaking above resistance could signal a new rally. It's often seen as a sign that buyers are gaining strength and momentum is shifting upward. Falling below support might mean a downturn, as sellers take control and the price could drop quickly. These levels reflect market psychology, hesitation at resistance, confidence at support. They're shaped by the collective actions and emotions of thousands of traders. News, ecosystem updates, and broader market trends all influence these moves, sometimes causing sudden shifts in sentiment and price direction. For beginners, focus on these levels as indicators, not predictions. They're tools to help you understand what's happening, not guarantees of what will happen next. Understanding this dynamic helps you make informed decisions, not emotional ones. It's about reading the story the chart is telling, rather than reacting to every move. The real story is in the battle between buyers and sellers at these key points, and learning to spot these battles is the first step to becoming a smarter trader. In crypto, whales are big players who can move markets with a single trade. Many Ethereum whales have been quietly accumulating Shib, adding it to their long-term portfolios. Why? They see potential in Shiba's engaged community, ecosystem growth, and burn mechanism. Whale accumulation is often a vote of confidence. They have access to advanced research and spot trends early. As Shibarium grows, demand for Shibi could rise, attracting more long-term investors. But there's a risk. If whales sell suddenly, prices can crash. Decentralization, spreading tokens among many holders, makes Shib more resilient. For now, whale interest is bullish, but it's something to watch closely. Lasting value in crypto comes from real-world utility, not just hype. Shiba Inu is building that utility with Shibarium, its own Layer 2 blockchain for faster, cheaper transactions. Every transaction on Shibarium burns Shib, directly linking ecosystem activity to token scarcity. The more apps and games built on Shibarium, the more Shibi gets burned. Beyond Shibarium, projects like a metaverse and a decentralized stablecoin, Shi, are in development. These aren't just for hype, they give Shib real purpose and use. Building a thriving ecosystem takes time and effort, and not every project will succeed. But the consistent push for utility signals long-term commitment. The goal, a self-sustaining digital economy where activity drives value. It's about more than price, it's about building something that lasts. To see where Shib stands, let's compare it to Dogecoin and Avalanche. Dogecoin relies on its meme status and community, but has slow technical development and an inflationary supply. Shiba Inu, by contrast, is building an ecosystem with deflationary burns and real utility. Avalanche isn't a meme coin. It's a high-performance blockchain for decentralized apps, competing with Ethereum. Shib blends meme power with technological ambition, carving out a unique niche. Its community reach rivals Dogecoin, but its focus on utility and scarcity sets it apart. While Avalanche leads in tech, Shibi's grassroots marketing is unmatched. This hybrid approach, culture plus technology, makes Shib a fascinating case study. It's evolving from meme to platform, aiming to satisfy both speculators and builders. That's what makes Shib's journey so compelling. Crypto's potential is huge, but so are the risks. Prices can double one week and crash the next. Volatility is the norm. For Shib, hype and emotion can amplify these swings. Never invest more than you can afford to lose. No one can predict the future. Shib hitting $2 is a dream, not a guarantee. Technical setbacks, community shifts, or new competitors could derail progress. Regulatory changes add another layer of uncertainty. Always do your own research. Read the white paper, follow development and assess the team. Stay informed about regulations in your country. Approach crypto with curiosity, caution, and skepticism. The question of Shib reaching $2 is complex. It's about transformation, not just price. Shib's journey from meme to ecosystem shows the power of community and innovation. The final burn is the dream, but steady, ongoing burns are the real story. Whale accumulation and ecosystem growth point to long-term potential, but risks, volatility, regulation, competition are ever-present. Shib's hybrid identity is its strength and its challenge. The real victory may be building a vibrant, self-sustaining digital economy. Keep learning and stay tuned to Shiba Insights for the latest on this evolving story.